All right. Have not gone live in a while. I don't even know if I can remember how all of this works, but I wanted to show you something. So let's do it. Actually, let's move this over here. Perfect. Okay. So a while back, I tweeted this. Laravel has a pipeline problem. Young devs aren't learning Laravel in boot camps or college. They're learning JavaScript, React, Next.js. What are some creative ways to fix this? And in the comments, people mentioned that there's actually a lot of problems right now. There's, juniors just aren't getting hired very much at all anyway. And definitely, in college and universities, they're learning other web stacks, basically. And so I was thinking about this, and then I got approached by a local college grad here in my little town of Vernon. He just graduated with his comp sci degree, looking for his first job. He asked me, if I had any leads on people that might be hiring. He'd done dozens and dozens of interviews. Nobody is hiring junior devs. Nobody's hiring people fresh out of college. And so I have had this idea for a web app in the back of my mind for a long time. And I thought this would actually be a fun project. This was at the beginning of the summer. This would be a fun project for a new college graduate to work on. And it would be basically a greenfield development, brand new app, and a really fun project for a new grad to work on. And the idea is that over the years, Transistor has made all sorts of merch, and we've found that giving away free swag, free t-shirts, free hats is a great way to promote our brand. And so we've done these t-shirts here with this little dinosaur. This skull and headphones shirt has been really popular. I wear them as well. And usually what happens is we'll give away a t-shirt. We'll send somebody a pack of swag, and almost always they will tweet about it, or they'll share it on their Instagram, or they'll wear it in YouTube videos or on TikTok. And so this has been a really good channel for us. It's been a good marketing approach for us. And I thought it would be great to build an app that simplifies this. Now, on the back end, we've been using Printful. So printful.com. And this is, they allow you to create products, and they handle all the shipping and fulfillment and everything. So they'll do print on demand and embroidery on demand. The downside with Printful is that they don't make it easy for people to give away swag or even to run any storefront at all. They're kind of the back end, and you connect it to Shopify or, some sort of storefront software. But I wanted to have a totally different use case, which is I want to be able to send people a link and then let them choose the swag they want and put in their shipping address, put in what color they want, what size they want, click submit. It automatically submits it to Printful. They print it on demand or embroider it on demand, send it to the fan or the customer, and then they charge us, in this case Transistor, for all of that. But it's been a great value for us because we get all of this free promotion. And so I had him build a little Laravel app. This is a little scary showing this live because I think I don't want to. It's still, we're about to launch it maybe in the next 3-4 weeks. And, but yeah, I just want to give you a little demo. This was created by somebody who had really never built a web app or a SaaS using Laravel before. First big Laravel project for sure. All right, so this is Swag Fan, and what it does is it allows you to create these links. Well, first of all, it allows you to connect your Printful store. So let me show you what it looks like when you create a link. So we'll call this live stream giveaway, and we're going to add products. And you can see that once I'm connected to Printful, it automatically pulls in all of the products that I've created in Printful. And so we could say, for example, we want to give away this shirt or this one and allow people to choose either of those. Let's do a fun one too. Let's do this one here. All right, so now these are the shirts that people can choose from. And let's say total uses, let's just do 3. So whoever's here on the live stream will get a chance to redeem one of these here. So we're going to create this link. And now, actually, you could if you wanted to, scan that QR code and you would be able to access this link. So let's just copy this link here and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, so I'm actually in a, here, I'll put it over here. So, oh wait, I can't, oh wait, no. I need to do this differently. Actually, I'll just show you this way. So I created a link before, here we go. So here's what it looks like, and people would put in their phone number just to verify that they're not a bot trying to rip you off. So we'll put in a phone number there, get it to send you a code. Then you put in the code that you get via text message. And then as a receiver of swag, you get to choose your color and your size if you wanted to, and then add that to the cart. And if we had multiple items, you could choose whatever item you wanted here. Then you continue to shipping. And now I can put in, my name, Justin J. I can put in my email, my address, and country, etc. And when I click get your swag, it will actually send it to me. I think actually I can put, I don't think this actually goes through. So let's just put, I'm in Belgium, Antwerp. I don't know what. And then it would actually ship it out to me and order it through Printful. So that's how those links work. And we've been testing it out. There's been a few bugs, but I think we've got them mostly ironed out. And yeah, the cool thing is that it makes it so easy to just like DM somebody a link. Like the other day, I tweeted, let's see if I can find this here. The other day, I tweeted just a picture of a hat. Where is it? Oh yeah, who wants one? And I got 65 responses. And I just was able to scroll through and DM people. A lot of these were customers. Here's Ben Gilbert from the Acquired Podcast. A lot of Laravel folks in here. And so I just DM'd them the link to the giveaway link, and they were able to redeem and have a hat sent to them, which is just embroidered on demand by Printful, shipped by Printful. I don't have to warehouse any of this. It's like a swag giveaway machine, an automatic swag giveaway machine that just runs on with this app that we built and Printful on the back end. So yeah, we're hoping to, oh, and then the other cool thing is in terms of other benefits of this is you get a list of everybody who's received swag from you. So you could follow up by email. You could send them other things in the mail in the future. So if you wanted to send them a Christmas card or something like that, you're going to have a list of all the people you've sent swag to, their names, emails, phone numbers, and their address. And then you can, send them more stuff in the future and create better customer relationships, encourage your fans to, share about the company again, encourage some of this, just people tweeting out when they are wearing your swag, when they receive a gift from you in the mail. That's always really exciting. And I've always just been into merch, and having this way of creating these giveaway links and have it kind of all run automatically has been really fun. Oh, sweet. Hey, Miguel. I was wondering if anyone would see this late in the day. Good to see ya. Yeah, thanks. This is really fun. And I think even more than it being really fun for me, I think this has been such a good, honestly, this is a testament to how good Laravel is, that I could hire this kid who just gotten out of university and give him this project with very, very, very little direction, and using just Laravel, Alpine, Livewire, and Tailwind, he was able to put this together. And there's some UX things that we're going to make sure we fix. But really, he's done a great job and was able to build this end to end in 6 weeks. And we're going to charge for it. So pretty soon we're going to launch this. And this young developer that worked on this with me is going to get to see the full cycle of, here's the idea, here's the concept, here's what we're trying to do, here's why we're trying to do it, here's who it's for, here's the different users, right? There's the people who are going to be redeeming these swag links, and then here's the people that want to give away merch, and just thinking about both those users. So and he's also implemented Stripe billing on it as well. So we're going to do a full launch and see if people will pay for it. We're thinking $99 annually. So you sign up for SwagFan, and then you connect it to your Printful store. In the future, we'll offer other kind of back-end print-on-demand solutions, other warehousing solutions, and then also offer the option, if people want to just fulfill these orders manually themselves, they'll be able to do that. There's Yaz. Yaz with a little sass. Yeah, it's not. That's just to get you to click in. Yaz. I'm just trying to get you to click and pay attention. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. It was really fun to work on. Like I said, if some of you want to try to redeem that link that I just created, just choose yourself a shirt. So scan that code. The first 3 people to scan that code can choose a shirt for themselves. This is print on demand, and these are embroidery on demand, and it'll get shipped to you. I think we've done about 10 or 12 orders this way already. So we've given away 12 hats so far, I think, using SwagFan. And I'm excited for other people to use it to redeem stuff. But then eventually I'd like to get other companies using it, folks that want to give away swag. Oh, the other thing that's really cool is with Printful, you can also use their warehousing program. And so some people don't like the print-on-demand ink. Now, I've found that depending on the blend of shirt you use, that print-on-demand ink can be better. It also works really good for like a big multicolor flat print. Whereas if you have kind of line drawings like the like our skull and headphones shirt, this really does better as a screen print because it's a little bit more, it's just these line drawings don't do as well with print on demand. But some designs, print on demand is better. Some designs, screen printing is better. And so what I'm going to do is get a bunch of shirts screen printed. I'm going to send it to Printful, get them to warehouse it, but then I'm going to use these I'm going to get them to use these giveaway links to make it work. Oh, Miguel yeah, some international phone numbers aren't working. So yeah, if you weren't able to use it, let me know. That's something we're still trying to figure out. And maybe this is actually a good question for y'all is I'm wondering if we should maybe have email verification there. We're basically trying to, what we're trying to do is not have people abuse this. So right now, phone number verification seems to be the best way, but maybe we need to change it to email verification. But yeah, you should be able to just enter your phone number, get a code, enter the code, verify it, and then choose your product. But yeah, I know that it's not working. Yeah. Okay. How come I can't add these? Can I add this? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay. So Miguel sent me a screenshot. Thank you. But someone else, Sean Park, says that they were able to redeem it. So let's actually refresh this page here. Yeah. So one person redeemed it already. So that was Sean Park, and whoever the next two people are to scan that QR code, I'll send you a t-shirt. And then, oh yeah, yeah. Streaming on X, leaking my secret Laravel app. I just hope I haven't leaked anything else. I think I'm okay. This is the scary part about live streaming. I'm always a little bit anxious about that. I don't mind sharing this QR code. That's on purpose, but yeah, maybe it's an international phone number thing. I'll let Ferdinand is the university graduate that worked on this, and I'll let him know about the I'll send him along. I'll send him your feedback there, and just let him know. Yeah. Any other questions? That was really cool that Sean was able to redeem this live while we were chatting. That's sweet. I didn't expect that to happen real time, but that's super fun. I'm curious for folks that have companies and give away stuff, if this is compelling to them. Like I said, Transistors really benefited from these kind of automated swag giveaway things. And, but we've been manually having to input those orders into Printful. And it always feels weird asking, DMing someone for their size and their address, and just to have them be able to choose their own size, their own color, put in their address, not have that like information in my DMs. And then it just gets transferred over to Printful, is really cool. And then, yeah, being able to have a list of people who have redeemed, these who have gotten merch before, and send them stuff in the future just seems so cool. can I, oh, actually, let's do it this way. Can I show you guys this way? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So here's what that other link I created looks like, where you can actually choose from multiple products. So let's put in a phone number. That's not a real phone number, but put it in there. So here we go. Yeah. So I chose 3 shirts, and now people can choose, you know, like in my case, I'm usually a medium or a large, and these heavyweight shirts are really awesome, but I found I'm actually usually a large in there, and I can choose my color. Maybe I want something like this in a large. And so I can just add it to my cart and then put in my shipping details and get that stuff sent to me. So oh, that's interesting. Sean had never heard of Laravel before until I started talking about it. Yeah, yeah. And this man, I gotta, how do I make these comments a bit smaller? Yeah, we're gonna fix this international phone number problem. Yeah, PHP is definitely cool again. There's just so much. Honestly, I went to Laracon and I hadn't been since 2019, and instantly walking into that space, the energy, the vibe is so positive. Being around all those people just got me really excited to build things again. And the other thing is, I couldn't believe how many people in that community came up to me and would like thank me for a blog post I'd written, or were like Transistor customers. I had just been at a podcasting conference, and I think I met more Transistor customers at Laracon than I did at this podcasting conference that had like 5,000 people or something, 3,000 people. So to go to this Laracon and meet so many Transistor customers and so many internet friends, and then it just got me fired up to build stuff. Especially Caleb's talk when he was showing all that Flux stuff. I was just like, this is so cool. Like, I want to use all these building blocks and build something. So in this case, I collaborated with this Ferdinand, who just graduated from university. But in the future, I'd like to start building my own little Laravel things as well. I've used it for little projects, but I haven't done anything for a long time. Yeah, I mean, it is solid. Laravel and Vue was a popular stack for a while, but now there's just so many options, especially with Livewire. It's incredible. I got to figure out how to fix these comments. Let's see here. I need a background. Can we get a? It's like it's not dark enough or something. Sorry, I don't really want to do this live, but can we get it? Text margin border. I'll have to fix that later. Shadow? That's not really right, but at least it's a little bit more visible. Yeah. Anything else? Any other questions? Ferdinand will probably be super anxious that I shared all of this live, but we are gearing up for a launch, and so I wanted to start showing people the app now, so that when we'll do a product hunt launch and all of that stuff, and I just think it'd be really cool for this kid who's starting his career in tech to have a fully functional SaaS application under his belt. And, I've been paying him out of my own money. I'm going to keep paying him to kind of finish this project off. But eventually, he'd like to go get a full-time job in tech. And so we think this will be just an awesome portfolio piece for him. He'll have this incredible work experience under his belt. And hopefully this leads to kind of better, good things for him in a very challenging job market in tech right now. I missed this part. Does Transistor use any Laravel code? Yes. So we have our main app is built in Ruby on Rails, but our marketing site is basically its own Laravel app. It uses the Static CMS, and we've added all sorts of functionality inside of our marketing site and really treat it like a product. And so we run both stacks at the same time. And we're actually, I think, on this built with Laravel. There's a site, or is it made with Laravel? Oh, there's two. Maybe it's this one here. Yeah. So this is a great site to see all sorts of products built with Laravel. And yeah, Transistor's here because our marketing site uses Static. Oh, thanks so much, Gannon, for you. Didn't see your comment earlier. You had to go to bed really, Olivia. Sweet, Symphony. I mean, maybe it's time you do some Laravel stuff now too. All right, it is close to 6 o'clock here, and dinner's right around the corner. By the way, this is super fun to see a lot of old faces here and some new faces, but I haven't done a live in a while. I didn't know if anyone would even show up, but to see Miguel in here, super cool. To see my friend Yaz. By the way, Yaz did an unbelievable job taking photos at Laracon. If you need a photographer for an event, I would highly recommend trying to convince Yaz to show up. Hire him to take your photos. Thanks, Dax, for showing up. Nice to see you. It was fun playing basketball with you at Laracon. I was on the terminal team. Maybe one day I got to do one of these live streams and see if a dumb jackass like me can order that terminal coffee. Great to see Sean Park again. Haven't seen you in a while. Sweet. Yes. Make sure you tweet it out, Sean, or share it somewhere where I can see it. I'd love to see it if it turned out okay for you. All right, that's it from me. Thanks, everybody. This is super fun. Oh, you want to see a Laravel about my, a video about my Laravel trip? Yeah, I should do that. I have a bunch of things to share on my newsletter at justinjackson.ca/newsletter. I'm hoping to do a big update on just everything that happened over the summer, all my thoughts, all these events, thoughts about the podcast industry, thoughts about SaaS, thoughts about business partnerships, thoughts about Laravel and the Laravel ecosystem. I just think Laravel is poised to grow a ton. I think people are going to be coming back to these full stack web stacks where you've got something like Rails or Laravel on the back end, and then whatever you want on the front end. Transistor is like, it's HTML, just a sprinkle of JavaScript, and very simple, kind of old school full stack web development. And I think I think Laravel is going to be massive. So lots of thoughts to share. If you want to check it out, when I publish that, go to justinjackson.ca/newsletter. And oh, sweet. Yeah, always nice to see some Mega Maker fans. I'm going to do a Mega Maker t-shirt giveaway as well. So if you don't have one of those, I'm going to be creating one of these giveaway links for that soon. So watch for that. But I'll try to make a video about Laracon and all that as well. Like I said, lots of thoughts. Thanks, everyone.